Hello again, sorry, we kind of shimmied over into our second video there. So as I was saying with this one, we do our 5 times our 8, which equals 40. We've got our 2 zeros remaining, so we take this one and we take this one, and we just add those to the end. So our answer should be 4,000. So then it says express 13 over 6 as a mixed number. So we've got 13 on the top and we've got 6 on the bottom. So the first thing we've got to do is ask ourselves how many of the bottom number fits into the top number. So how many 6s go into 13? So if we do our 6 times table, we would get 6, 12, and then 18. So we can't possibly have 3 6s, we'll have to have 2. Okay, so we'll write down our 2 because 2 6s fit into 13. 2 6s are 12. So how many have we got left over? We've got one extra one, haven't we? We've got one extra one left over, so we're going to write that as 1/6 next to it. So that's another equivalent fraction, okay? 13 over 6 is exactly the same as 2 and 1/6. Next one then, so we've got 18 over 5. So we've got to do the same thing as before. We've got to ask ourselves, how many of the bottom number, the denominator, fit into the numerators? How many 5s go into 18? So if we do our 5 times table, we go 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so 20 is too big, so we have to go back one. So we found out that 3 5s fit into 18. So 3 5s are 15, but how many more do I need to get to 18? I need 3 more, so I'm going to have to write 3 up here and 5 because I've got 3/5 extra after my 3 whole numbers, okay? So that is the equivalent fraction, but as a mixed fraction, okay? So we've got 3 and 3/5. So make sure you've marked your work and you've given yourself a mark out of 20, and I hope you've had a lovely week, and I will set you some more work on Monday. Have a lovely weekend.